Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing a productivity technique that's been a game changer for me, the Pomodoro Technique. If you're struggling to focus, easily distracted, or just want to get more done in less time, this video is for you. Let's dive in. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method that involves breaking work into intervals, typically 25 minutes in length, separated by short breaks. Here's a breakdown of the technique. Step 1. Choose a task. Select the task you want to work on. Step 2. Set the timer. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Step 3. Work on the task until the timer rings. Step 4. Take a short break. Take a 5-minute break to rest and recharge. Step 5. Repeat steps 2 to 4. Take a long break. After 4 25-minute work intervals, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Benefits of the Pomodoro Technique. Improved focus. By breaking down work into smaller chunks, you can maintain focus and avoid distractions. Increased productivity. Regular breaks can help you stay energized and motivated, leading to increased productivity. Reduced stress. The Pomodoro Technique can help reduce stress and anxiety associated with work. Better time management. By tracking your time, you can become more aware of how you spend your time and improve your time management skills. Tips for using the Pomodoro Technique. Find a quiet workspace. Choose a place where you can work without distractions. Minimize interruptions. Turn off notifications on your phone and let others know you're working. Use a timer. Use a timer to keep track of your work intervals and breaks. Take breaks seriously. Use your breaks to rest and recharge, not to check your email or social media. Track your progress. Keep track of your progress to see how much you've accomplished. The Pomodoro Technique is a simple but effective method for improving your focus, productivity, and overall well-being. Give it a try and see if it works for you. Like the video, and if you want to become a successful person, do subscribe our channel for such types of contents.